If someone that you love has epilepsy, I can relate because when I grew up, my big brother had epilepsy. He would have petit mal seizures at the dinner table. We'd go play baseball at the playground, and he would have a grand mal seizure right in the middle of our baseball game, and we just learned to live like that. Of course, he ended up on Dilantin and phenobarbital, which greatly slowed down his communication style, took away some of that bright, enjoyable communication style he had before the drugs. The reason I'm making this video is to mention that neurofeedback can help a lot with epilepsy. It takes probably a minimum of 80 sessions, which is not inexpensive, since sessions can easily cost $60, $70, $80, $90 or more. However, if people have that kind of money to purchase 80 sessions, it can make a big difference. So I wrote a book, which is at www.neurofeedbackbook.com. My book is called Neurofeedback: Transforming Your Life with Brain Biofeedback. And all neurofeedback is feedback, where you look at the computer screen and your brain figures out how to make some changes. My name's Dr. Claire Albright. I'm a psychologist. Thank you.